To begin with the DB Forms application, we will take a look at the Form Builder. The Form Builder is where you can create the forms that will be used by your end users. In this example, we will create a simple daily inspection form. The key main areas of the Form Builder applications are the form details, where you can give your form a name and a description. The form preview area, which is empty right now, but this is where you'll see your form come to life as we add elements to it. And then there's the field settings area, where by utilizing this dropdown, you see select elements that you would like to add to your form. We will be specifically taking a look at the input text elements, dropdowns, and radio buttons. All of the other elements will be covered in a more detailed and separate video. So let's begin. First, we'll give the form a name, Daily Inspections. We will give it a description. And next, we'll begin adding elements to the form. The first element I would like to add is an area to capture the inspector's name. To do this, we will use the input text field type. Then for the name, we'll just call it name. The field label is the text that we would like to display next to the element to indicate to the end user what we would like to input. Please enter inspector name. Then we can choose whether or not we would like the field to be required, and in this case, I would like this to always be filled out. Then we simply click Add to Form, and we will display it in Form Preview. Next, I would like the user to input the equipment ID, so we will utilize input text again. We will name the equipment ID, and then we will give it a label. Please enter equipment ID. I will also make this required, then click Add to Form. Next, we will put a drop-down to give it a list of locations for the user to select. I will call it Location. I'll give it a label, say please select inspection form location. And now I can input the values for the drop-down. I'll just put location A, then I hit enter. Location B, hit enter. Location C, and then location D, and hit enter. And then I just click Add to Form. This creates a drop-down with those values. Finally, I will utilize radio buttons to get the results of the inspection. Radio buttons are primarily used for a short list of items where the user can only select one, so in this case, I will just simply call the fields results. I will give it a label. Please select the results of the inspection. And then I'll just simply put passed, needs follow-up, and fail. Then we'll just click Add to Form. Later in another video, we will give an overview of the toolbar, where here you can copy and paste, reorder things, re-edit, and add certain key elements to the application or erase the form. For now, we're just going to simply hit save. After we hit save, it takes us back to the main forms application, or we can see our daily inspection form there for us to use.